I have vertigo, so usually mahiluin ako. I get dizzy quickly. Pero with this AI glasses na Rokid, hindi ako nahihilo. Tingnan nyo naman, buong event na ito, suot ko siya at I'm using this for our prompter.
Next question.
Next question.
I have a question.
Okay.
You mentioned the AR can be used connected to the laptop, right?
Yes.
Can you use it also like connected to like mini, something like that? Because especially for work, I am usually doing.
Okay. For Rokid AR, the glasses, you can connect it to any device. Cell phones, laptop, tablet, console games. Yes, you can connect
As long
it
as
also.
it has a USB-C.
So imagine this, you're having a laptop and let's say 13 inches screen, right? If you want more immersive, if you connect the glasses to your laptop, the screen display will be up to 215 inches
Wow.
screen display. That's really, really big.
Okay, so you can connect any
Yes, you can connect it.
will be say 120 hertz.
The hertz is 120 hertz.
Oh my, wow.
Yes, full 120 hertz. That's really nice. Thank you so much. Next question, please.
So far, I've tried the glasses at the back earlier. Does it get limited with the internet connections we have? Because as we all know, the Philippines is a paradise. So sometimes the internet connection speed is a little slow. So what happens to the glasses that whatever the internet connection speed is, that's the speed that they're going to get on the glasses.
Okay, you are correct. The glasses are dependent through our internet connections, but the access, the requirement of Rokid glasses just limit very minimal internet only. You don't need fast internet to access these glasses. And did you know the glasses have also offline mode? For the translation, you can use the offline mode. You don't need internet. It will run automatically.
Even the prompter, teleprompter
Yes,
is offline.
it do runs at offline mode also. So,
How about the AI? You can download movies, right? And even offline, you can watch it.
for the
glasses.
AR, yes, for the AR glasses, you can download movies and watch it in offline mode also.
What's the capacity storage for that?
120 gigabyte. You can connect your gamepad also through our AR glasses. Your keyboard, mouse, headset, name it. You can connect all the devices through our Rokid AR.
Essentially, the AR glasses are external displays. So you can connect any devices to it. As long as it has a USB display connection.
Bluetooth connection.
Bluetooth connection
Only
as well.
through Bluetooth connections. Yes. Any more questions? Yes.
Sir, about the display quality? I mean, is there a current limitations on, how we see the spins in the glasses? Yeah, what if we are using it in a bright sunny day, outside? What happens to the glasses?
Okay, for the Rokid AI glasses, the glasses is really bright kahit may sun dyan.
Yes.
Ang kitang-kita mo pa rin yung display niya. Tapos for the Rokid AR glasses naman natin, yung computer, it's really, really bright din siya. Kahit pumunta ka pa sa beach, makikita mo yung display pa rin. There's no problem. And for the clarity, for sharpness, Rokid is the sharpest
Yes.
display in all AR glasses.
Even if they read reviews and watch online reviews, really, Rokid is the brightest of them all.
Why it's very sharp? Again, Rokid specialized the myopia. So yung lahat ng migrado dito, a-adjust lang nila here and 100% clarity, pati tuldok yung pixel, makikita
I
mo.
was really amazed by that when I tried that. Because I mentioned to you that meron akong grado, di ba, prescription. So, he said that, just pala. I adjusted the AR. Ang linaw.
Yeah, super linaw. You will enjoy watching work and games inside the Rookie AR station. More questions?
Actually, itong AI glass, nakaset lang sa akin to ng mid yung brightness niya. Kasi pag minax ko, sobrang lakas talaga. Siguro yung max brightness niya would only be applicable sa sobrang bright na noon, high noon siguro. Pero so far, wala pa akong use yung high brightness. Wala pa akong makitang use sa kanya.
Super sharp neto. You should try it. Next question.
All right, I have a question here.
Okay.
What message would you like to share with Filipino consumers and tech enthusiasts who are excited to experience Orchid's newest AR and AI glasses?
Okay, for tech youth,
Tech enthusiasts.
enthusiasts. This is wearable devices that can help us enhance in our daily lives. So, this is a new technology na dati cellphone, hawak natin cellphone lagi. Now, with the AI glasses, imagine, you can read your text messages inside the glasses. You can answer calls inside our glasses. You don't need to put out always your phone. Pag naka-phone ka, lagi ka nakatungo. Tingin ka ng tingin sa sahig. With the Rokid glasses, parang pantay lagi tingin mo. You are aware always of your surroundings. And with the AI assistance, napakalakas sobra ng AI assistance. You can get all the information you need in just 1 second. And at the same time, again, the next feature is the navigation. Ito ang inabangan na lahat. Hi Rokid, navigate me to Mall of Asia. That's it. Follow the arrow. And Rokid glasses will guide you in your directions.
And one last question. What inspired you to bring Orchid's AR and AI technology to the Philippines, and how do you envision it transforming the way Filipinos interact with technology?
Okay. So, guys, nakita ko, this is the future technology. Imagine, ano mga benefit na makuha ng mga tao dito. Imagine, a blind person na lang. Blind person. Guys, for a blind person, kaya niya kausapin si AI. Hi, Rokid, what color is this dress? So the blind people, it's like having another senses of her eyes. Napakalakas nun. And again, Justo said, there will be a live AI. I tried it, the live AI. Ganito yung functions ng live AI. Live AI is always on. So the blind people can talk tuloy-tuloy questions like, what's in front of me? What's this? What's this? Oh, there's a lamppost in front of you. Can you help me find my glass of water? Where in this table? Oh, it's on your right side. Ganon ka-powerful si live AI. Second, this is true This is true. So I encounter a deaf. Di siya makarinig. Sabi nung guy, Mac, can we try the Rokid AI glasses? Can we try the captions for her? Kasi sign language lang kami nag-usap ng girlfriend ko. Pinatry namin doon sa deaf. Alam mo, napaiyak yung deaf. Umiyak, napaluha. Why? First time niya nagkaroon ng another sense of hearing but through the eyes. Napakalakas. So, sabi ng boyfriend niya, mahal mo ba ako? Sabi nung babae, yes. So, as you can see, that's a really powerful applications or innovative para sa mga life-changing, yun, new word, life-changing wearable devices para sa mga Pilipino.
And,
Yes.
you know, during this hosting job, of course, I'm working so I cannot answer emails. I am waiting for an important email. Nasabi na, nabigay na nito ni Rocky ngayon habang nag-host ako. So, sinend niya sa akin yung important email na hinihintay ko.
Oo nga. Medyo nakakabawa siya ng anxiety.
Oo, di ba? Kasi, alam mo na may sumagot na hindi yung check and check
Check,
lang.
yeah.
Next question.
Ako pwede ako magtanong.
Yes.
Kasi I've been following AR, AI classes talaga even before I got a phone. I was wondering, how did you make the partnership talaga? Tell us the story. Kasi kung di po alam ng iba dito, yung Rocky, Kickstarter pa lang sa US.
Okay,
Hindi
so-
pa siya publicly released talaga, di ba? Tapos nagulat ako, bakit dito meron na kagad sa Philippines?
It started with them. So, why? You know, the first time I saw the Rocket classes is still in prototype. The function is only translation mode. I tried it in Hong Kong, right? Our first meeting, Alex. On that day, I believe this technology will revolutionize all over the world. It will be trending. It will life-changing. Sobrang powerful. Nakita ko, wow, glasses lang. Normal glasses, pero pag tumingin ka sa loob, you can see some interface. That's a life-changing. Kakaiba. Parang, this is the new, parang nasa bagong mundo na tayo na kaya na gumawa ng computer or monitor ng computer sa glasses lang natin. So, with that, nakita ko, I built partnership with them. Alam ko, the Rocket glasses, it will change the world with this. Yes.
Congratulations. Kasi galing. Kulang din ako, parang meron na pala dito, tsaka mas advanced pa yung release sa atin. Other questions po? Yeah, si ma'am.
Yung sign language translation ba, tina-download lang rin siya as a pack?
Okay, for the sign language translation, it will be a new function called Live AI. Sir Justo, when will be the Live AI come out?
Google Map and Alipay. After this finished, and the AI functions in stable river development. We have tested in China mainland first to maintain the experience stability. December.
There you go. On the month of December, magkaroon tayo ng live AI. Even the sign language na iintindihan ni AI.
Just imagine, no, a world where we can now understand each other without the language barrier, kahit sign language pa yan.
Okay, no more questions, everybody. Okay, we'll have the closing message of our boss, Mr. Matthew.
Okay.
Then later, after the speech, you can go to the showroom, experience the AR classes yourselves, the AI classes. Try nyo po. Sana magustuhan ninyo. Pwede na ba silang bumili ngayon? When can they buy? Ito pala, that's the question. When can they buy the product publicly?
In November, launch na yung LinkedIn sa live.
So by November, available na po ang Rokin sa aming partner na The Loop na may branches sa S. Mason and
Ka-partner na namin.
the Court of Cards, diba? Pero at least po, November, watch out. It's already di ba? October 29. So 30, 31, konting tumbling. After Undas pa lang, no? At the onset of Undas, November 1, boom! May Rokin classes din po.
Okay, guys, on the bottom of my heart, thank you for this day. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for having your time learning about Rokin. And thank you. Thank you to my family. Thank you to my friends. Thank you to Justo, Alex, Edward. Thank you so much for coming here to support Philippines. Thank you, The Loop by PowerMac. Nicole, Aina, thank you so much for. I believe our partnership will be a fruitful tree na bubungan ng sobrang laki. And with our partnership, marami tayong Pilipino matutulungan for travel, for another senses of the eyesight, or the ears. Marami tayong matutulungan. Thank you, Advanced Solution, and Jepet, for coming here also to support us. Thank you for all the media coming here. Thank you, Dr. Sanda, Ideal Visions, for the lenses, for coming here. Thank you, Sir Ken. Thank you, Ashley, for coming here also to support Rokin. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much, and hope you try our products, and I'm sure magugustuhan niyo ito. I have there someone will assist you there to experience yung next level technology natin. Our future technology. Achikit Kat, Anya Francis, thank you so much for this day. Thank you so much.
Okay, this time, we have our photo opportunity with, of course, Mr. Matthew. First, our guest delegates.
May we call on in proper order para dito po muna ang ating mga delegates, Mr. Matthew.